They all say it isn't possible to have a no-fuss turnkey bathroom renovation. Bathrooms by Design are the secret. Complete turnkey bathrooms from design to completion. All their own trades, all the big brands, and just look at these showrooms. So while you're flat out with all things life, Bathrooms by Design deliver perfection. Bathrooms by Design, complete turnkey bathrooms without the fuss. Bathrooms by Design. Give them a call.
Welcome back, guys, to the Bathroom Pod. Here we are at Eden Hills, episode 5. We thought we'd do something different and bring you guys to site. Obviously, here we are in a bathroom. One of our clients has been kindly enough to lend us their house today to do this filming from. And so I'm here with Heath again, obviously. Still can't get rid of the bloke.
Hey guys, we're back. Got a few subscribers now, haven't we? We're on board.
Yeah, I think we're up to 5.
Yeah, we've had a few views, so that's good. Thanks for tuning in. What can we expect? We're going to do a full house walkthrough, guys, today, aren't we?
Yeah. We've got the house empty, as I said, with our client that's generously lend us their house.
Well, this one's a little bit different, isn't it? It's a bigger version of what we do. So as you can see from the look around, we're actually in a bathroom.
Yeah.
We thought we'd change it up, something different.
This is what they look like.
But this particular job, Luke, we're actually running a full house renovation, aren't we? We're doing a bathroom, a kitchen, all the bedrooms, lounge room, floorboards, ceilings,
laundries.
Yeah. So come with us, guys. We're going to start in the room.
We'll take you on a bit of adventure through the property and show you room by room.
Yeah, and then I think what we're going to do as well, why don't we talk about the process of what actually takes place in a bathroom?
Yeah, go through it a bit more and in depth and get the clients to understand sort of the stages that each room's at and, you know, all the in-wall plumbing, underfloor plumbing,
what it looks like in real life time as well.
Yeah, this is what you can expect.
Yeah. And we'll probably talk a little bit about the supervising process, I think, from sort of walking right through the home, meeting them at the front door and going right through the expectation of the day-to-day. That's something that I think we should discuss while we're here on site. So come with us, guys. Get ready. We're going to do a wander through.
So guys, here we are, we're literally inside the bathroom, and one of my jobs here at Bathrooms by Design is obviously I oversee the on-site process of it all. And I'm gonna take you through the steps of where we're at and what stage we're at this bathroom. So this bathroom here has currently been demoed already and we're standing on a brand new concrete slab. So guys, I'm just gonna take you down to the slab. Getting down to this ground level here this has been taken up down to the dirt. New underfloor plumbing has been done, obviously, with the client to their new layout of their bathroom. So these pipes here, guys, the 3 that are on the floor that you currently see, the one closest to this end of the room here is actually the central floor grate. This one here, over here in the closest to the wall, is 100 mil in diameter, which is the sewer pipe. And that's the new location of where the client has chosen to put their toilet. Coming over here where I'm sort of squatting down now, guys, is I'm actually squatting down in the shower, believe it or not. And this here is the shower waste. So it's close to the wall because what we do is we actually run a strip drain here. And we keep it off the wall a certain measurement, about 100 to 150 mil, so we can put a nice piece of tile behind it and fall the water into the drain. Moving up from this slab is what we have here on the walls, guys, this is a solid brick home. So the difference between solid brick is the internal is a solid wall, whereas some of you guys at home might have a timber framed wall. This one here, once we've chased in all the brickwork to relocate all the in-wall plumbing, we then have to go through and render the walls with solid plaster, which is at the next stage ready to be waterproofed. So you've got to get your walls nice and smooth and flat for your new tiles. This here, guys, is a shower mixer, and this client in particular has picked the Nero range, and it's a brushed gold. In my hand here, I've obviously got the finished part of it, and this part here is the lever, which is a pin lever, which is currently going to go on over the tiles, and that's your hot, cold turn on and off. So once everything here, I jumped ahead a bit of it then. These walls here in the shower alcove obviously get waterproofed up to about 2.1 to 2.2 meters, fully waterproofed, and the floor gets a complete full waterproof over the whole area. Moving on from the waterproofing stage, we then will tile and screed the floor. So the floor ends up again with about a 35 to 40 mil sand and cement screed laid on top, and that creates all the fall for the water to go down the drains. Then you tile on the floor. Then once that's done, we sort of tile on the walls here up to whatever height the client has specified. These purple covers here, guys, is where a power point comes out the wall. Obviously, we do these things here for safety, so no one here can get, you know, electrocuted or zapped on site. We're big on safety here at Bathrooms by Design. Moving on to here is a vanity. So the vanity, these here are your hot and cold water points coming out the wall. And this here is actually the waste for the water to go down into the wall. This client in particular has actually picked a wall hung vanity. So the difference between a wall hung and the floor mount vanity is you've got to change the location of the waste water pipe in the wall. So this waste water on a floor mount vanity would come up from the floor like this. But because this is the wall hung vanity and it looks like it's floating and you can see underneath the vanity, you've got to relocate the waste pipe in the wall. Obviously, we put tape over all of our waste penetrations, floor, walls, to stop any dirt, anything going down the drains, because you wouldn't want to have a blocked drain. So guys, then after all of that, it's going to have obviously beautiful tiles all over the walls. Probably this job here is floor to ceiling tiled. And then we go up to the ceiling. We're obviously going to probably be replacing this ceiling and new cornice around the top once it's been tiled all the way up. So from here, guys, we've obviously done a wrap on the bathroom, and I actually think my brother's floating around somewhere in the house waiting for his time to do. Oh, there he is here. He's just popped his head out. Look at him. He's not camera shy, that one. So we're going to take you through into the kitchen, and I'm sure he's got some ideas and explaining on where the kitchen stage is at.
Bathrooms by Design is the secret for complete, no-fuss, turnkey bathroom renovations. All their own trays and all the big brands. So while you're flat out with all things life, Bathrooms by Design deliver perfection.
So come with me, guys. Now we are in the kitchen space of this home at Eden Hills. My brother's just giving you the rundown on the bathroom, so it's my turn in front of the camera to give you the rundown on the kitchen. So what we had here, as you can see, this is a full kitchen demo, and we do these sporadically for clients, okay? So what we've got here, we're gonna have an island bench come across the middle. We're gonna have a walkway here through to the kitchen. So I'll turn my back, we're gonna come through the kitchen. The old aircon's going. Part of our process is we're gonna brick this up, fill in the hole for the external. We're gonna have the fridge here with some overhead cupboards above the top. We're gonna follow through. We're gonna have I think we're gonna have a butler's sink, big old-fashioned colonial butler's sink under the window, which is sort of what you want, guys, because then you can look at your beautiful garden outside. Sorry to turn my back to you. Do your dishes. As you saw from the bathroom one, this is the waste point for the sink. That's gonna be hidden in the cupboards. These are your two water points, hot and cold. They've been dropped below so that they're gonna be situated in the cupboard, so it's not gonna take up cupboard space. We will move on up to the sink. We'll come across. This will be your bench top. We're gonna have the oven under here with a cooktop situated in the stone. This one's got stone. Some have Laminex. This is gonna have beautiful Caesar stone all the way wrapped around. Up here, we're gonna have a row of overhead cupboards. Okay, so if you follow us on socials, you'll see the end result of this. And obviously it starts like this, and it's gonna end with what's on the socials. So you'll see them, guys, so that'll be exciting. Come with me, we're gonna follow through to the laundry. So, Here, guys, is the laundry room of the house. Demoed again. We've had the drains relocated. When we penetrate the slab, we have white ant treatment. Forticon plastic goes in concrete. Chased all the plumbing pipes through. We're going to have bench top. We're going to have a linen press. We're going to have some overheads. And again, under the sink, we're going to have the laundry trough. This will all be screeded, waterproofed and tiled. And it will flow back through. So that's the kitchen. That's the laundry. Stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see the finished product, guys. But that's what we do at Bathrooms by Design. We don't just do bathrooms. This is a full house renovation. So it starts down there where Luke was. Bathroom, flow through to the kitchen, flows through to the laundry. Alrighty. Now, we're going to put a pause on that one and we're just going to describe some of the other building work that we undertake throughout the rest of the home. Where are we, Luke? We're here in the focal point of the home, aren't we now?
This is,
we're at the final part of the video. Wrapped up the kitchen. We're in the living room, guys. What we're going to do is we're going to take you through the final part of the process of this full home reno, aren't we?
Yep.
I think we're doing floors in here. The client wants new skirting boards. That was thrown on us at the last minute, wasn't it?
Skirting was.
Yeah, that's something that happens as well. So you've sort of got to just jump on.
VO,
variation of cost. Lucky we're really, really good friends with this client, so it doesn't matter. It's probably going to be an IOU. But no, we're going to do the floors, the skirtings.
New doors.
Doors, you're going to talk about that from your carpentry background, aren't you?
That's what these are, guys, right here behind us. These here are the internal doors of this home. These here are going to be going on. What I've got also here is a brushed gold handle that the client has picked.
Is that the colour they're doing throughout, is it?
Tapware, internal doors, towel rails, everything is this brushed gold.
And that's important because we match it, don't we, really? You want the whole house to match.
100% you do.
Kitchen handles will be in that as well, I'm assuming. I reckon they will be.
Yep.
The client's nodding in the background, so that's a good thing. We're going to do a paint through, aren't we?
These are an actual hollow internal door with the 4 patterns in them, routed in. So one of these doors here, guys, I'll just take you over and we'll explain how they're going to actually get fitted to the door frame. So here we are. This here is the door frame here that Heath was talking about earlier that went through to the laundry. So this here is an actual steel frame door frame. So it is on solid brick homes, you'll always 90% find steel frames. These here are the hinges, guys. On this particular door frame, they either come with 2, top and bottom, or 3, 1 in the middle. That internal door will come over here and one of our carpenters is going to come and actually fit this door to the opening. So these hinges here get routed out and that's what actually holds the door and makes the door swing and open and close. Then obviously once the door's on and hanging and swinging, we then will come and fit those beautiful brushed gold handles that you're seeing. So they'll come on. Obviously the bathrooms will have a lock on them for privacy and this one in particular won't have a lock. This is just called a passage set. So once that's on, then the painter can come and do all his painting and put the skirtings on around it and then the actual door frames here will just get painted out to whatever the client has picked in colour.
So that's it, mate. That's the wrap up of episode 5, guys. Up at our big project at Eden Hills.
Yeah.
I hope you found that exciting. That was something different for us doing a full walkthrough, wasn't it?
And bringing it to site, I think, was definitely something valuable that the clients get to sort of see first-hand experience on what we do on site and how the projects all come together, you know, and then they all just come together at the end and the client ends up with a beautiful finished project.
I think the exciting thing about this episode though, guys, is it's a little bit raw, it's a little bit uncut. I mean, we've been racing around the home with the lapel mics and the cameraman.
Yeah.
It's more of an insight into what happens day to day. So I hope you are subscribing, I hope you're following by now, and I hope you're finding some interest in it.
Well, yeah.
I mean, I thought this one was a really good one. This was an interesting one, this one.
Well, that's basically what we do, isn't it? Here at Bathrooms by Design, we sort of, you know, give everybody the inside info and, you know.
Create the space though, really, like the whole thing. Yeah. Throughout this one though, there was some really good things you brought up. In the bathroom, there was some safety stuff. There was some construction stuff.
Waterproofing.
Waterproofing's a big one. When you follow on the socials though, guys, because I don't know if we'll have time to get up here for a follow-up video, a follow-up podcast episode, But I think we said we're going to chuck out all the finished product on the socials. So it'll be on the YouTube. It'll be on the Insta. It'll be on the Facebook.
Yeah.
Then you'll be able to see it all finished.
Yeah.
So follow, subscribe, jump on. Give us some feedback, guys. I know a couple of the other episodes have been some interviews with suppliers and stuff, and they seem to be taking off and going really well. Let us know if you like the full walkthrough of the houses, because we'll hit up some more clients and try and get out to site a bit more.
Yeah, interact with them.
I think coming up next time, we're going to do a day in the life of the warehouse guy, Kevin. So that'll be fun.
Yeah, he's a big personality.
We've got a big announcement as well there. We've got a
Bigger than mine.
bigger than Luke's personality. Nearly bigger than Luke's, but not as big as mine. But we've got an exciting announcement. We've got a new truck coming, so that'll be good for the warehouse one.
Yeah.
So we can chat about that, and we're going to give you a full walkthrough of the warehouse and how that works, from picking, packing, taking, delivering orders. So that'll be exciting. So follow us on the next pod.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned for episode 6.
They all say it isn't possible to have a no-fuss turnkey bathroom renovation. Bathrooms by Design are the secret. Complete turnkey bathrooms from design to completion. All their own trades, all the big brands, and just look at these showrooms. So while you're flat out with all things life, Bathrooms by Design deliver perfection. Bathrooms by Design, complete turnkey bathrooms without the fuss. Bathrooms by Design.